You will learn that these chocolate muffins are not only delicious but quick and easy to make. Here are your ingredients, but don't worry, there will be a link below that will give you more nutrition information and details as usual. You will want to either line your muffin pan with liners or grease and flour each individual tin. Next, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. You'll also want a cooling rack. In a medium bowl, use 1½ cups of flour, 225 grams, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2.5 grams, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, or 6 grams. You can replace all of this with self-rising flour if you want to speed up the time even more. Next, add in 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, or 40 grams. You can use any kind of cocoa powder you like here. Then you're going to add in your sugar, 1 cup or 200 grams. And you can use any kind of sugar you like, and if you like them a little less sweet, go down to 3/4 of a cup or 150 grams. Mix this together briefly, then we're going to add in some milk. 3/4 of a cup of milk, 180 milliliters. You can use any kind of milk you like, fat-free to buttermilk. It does not matter. Next, add in your eggs, 2 eggs, 100 grams total, and then you're going to add in some oil, 1/3 cup of olive oil or 80 milliliters. If you wanted, you could use butter here, just make sure it ends up being 1/3 cup. Finally, add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla if you have it, 5 milliliters. The teaspoon of vanilla is not necessary if you do not have any. Don't worry. All you're going to do is mix it up until it's nice and smooth like this. It takes about 30 seconds. And then you're going to add it into each liner equally until you get it about 3/4 of the way full. The great thing about this recipe is, including cleanup, it takes you less than 30 minutes. It's one bowl, you don't even have to break out your mixer. If you do make a mess, just wipe it up. That way it keeps it from burning in the oven and you just don't have that smell going as it's baking. Bake this anywhere from 16 to 19 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. It should look like this. After 5 minutes, transfer it to a cooling rack and then cool them completely before storing, but you can eat these warm right fresh out of the oven. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Visit us at jacksonsjob.com for more, and as always, happy baking.